how to log out Messenger without switching account. So if you don't want to switch your account on Messenger and if you want to log out completely, then let's check. First, open up the Messenger application, and then if you go to the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon, and if you simply tap on that drop down bar, here you will have all of your accounts, right? Or you can also go to settings, which is on the upper right corner, and then if you scroll down here, you won't have an option of log out. You will only have an option which says switch account. So you can simply tap on that switch account and it will take you to the same page. So we don't have an option of logging out completely on Messenger, but what you can do is you can simply go back, and then if you open up your settings and go for apps and notifications, and here you can open up your Messenger on your settings and then go for storage and cache, and from here you can simply tap on clear storage, and after clearing your apps data or apps storage, your data like your file settings, accounts or databases will all be deleted. So after deleting or after clearing your storage, your account will be logged out from that device, and after logging out you can again log into your account. So if you clear your storage, only then you will be able to log out of Messenger, or without that we don't have an option on Messenger. You can simply switch your account, not log out. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.